Hey guys, welcome back to Making Adventure. The last time we saw you guys, we had tried again to make the couch and it didn't quite work. The hardware we had was a little bit too big for a lot of the side bracings of the boxes that we made. So today we're going to fix that. We also realized a couple days ago that we started the purchase of this truck almost 4 years ago now. I can't believe it's been that long already. It's been quite the journey. Let's go see Kimi. So right here in that corner is where the hardware was hitting when it was trying to fold down flat. So yeah, we're going to change it up a little bit. Kimi's cut some pieces here that hopefully will do the trick, and we'll see. It's still stuck on the sides. We need an eighth more.
More?
Yeah.
Well, cut another quarter off.
Why don't we take the 2x4 off real quick and see the path that this thing takes.
Alright, so I've got this, the Torx that we've been using on all these fittings, not all of them, but most of them. I need to get it in like this corner, really this back one. And there's no really good way to get to it. It's at too much of an angle. And so even if I take this off and put it in the drill short, it still can't really reach in that angle. So I've got this 90-degree drill bit, then I put my extension into that. Now I can reach down in the corner, get it out there. If we put it like that.
Oh man, the thing still hits it?
Yep.
What the heck? Well, how much room do we have in the back? I said, how much room do we have in the back? We might be able to push it further out.
We need to cut that 2x4.
Yeah, I think so.
Rip it down a little, so.
Alright, let's do it before it gets too late. We're going to shift the entire bed platform forward on the rails so that it has better clearance in the back, because it's been hitting the back bracing. We're going to move the back bracing. We made it smaller and we made it lower, but it's still rubbing a bit, and we have a bit of room in the front, so we're going to move it forward and hopefully that'll fix it. Hitting the back triangle too. We're closer than we were. And now that looks pretty close, but I am not sure if it's going to be too high once it's fully extended. We'll see. Okay. It's a little low. That's okay. It's okay. Yeah?
I think that's fine. Leave it a little low.
Yeah, I think so too.
Go ahead and fold it back. Flat as it's going to go.
Okay. So I've cut a couple of slats. This isn't all the slats that we're going to use, but there's some of them. Kimi, you want to sit on it and see if it's strong? No? You want me to sit on it and see if it's strong?
I'm nervous about this.
Nervous about that?
This is strong. The front's strong. I'm nervous about the back.
I'm not really sure if you guys saw that or not. The camera died, and sometimes when it dies, it corrupts the footage, so we'll see whether or not that's in there. But we've cut some slats for this pull-out part of the couch, and half of them we're going to pull out. Go ahead. We're going to pull out this way, and half of them are going to stay. So it's actually going to extend quite a bit longer. There, it'll pull out like this. Yep, there we go. Okay, so this is the full extended bed. Where's the tape measure? Here it is. The entire thing is 72.5 inches. Not bad. We should put some more screws in here so that they don't turn. And it all just folds away, like so. I'm not really sure how we're going to support the end of the bed, because it's a little floppy, but we'll figure that out down the line. So that's our couch bed build. We'll put cushions on it later. I really hope you liked this video. If you learned something, please push that like button and share it to a friend. We will see you next time.